Here we come to the service elevator at 2501 Blue Ridge Road in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is a modernized ThyssenKrupp. This is a high hydraulic elevator. This was just modernized. This is gonna be quite busy, so I don't know how I'm able to get a good video. I'll try again another day if it doesn't work. Somebody left the garbage can here. Epic. Whatever, it's got quite a motor on this thing. It's a very tall cab. Oh, no one called it. Anyways, I'm gonna let you hear the motor one more time. I'm gonna move this trash can in the back just a little bit. These are your mat fixtures, just modernized. I wonder what that little detection thing is above the door frame. All right, let's go back down and do it in there. Try to see if we can ring that bell. That down doesn't work. Oh, now it does. Perfect ride without any interruption. All right. There it goes. And that's it. Hear the click on the interlock. Anyways, there it goes and that's it.